You aren't broke, you're just being micro-paid to death. While you're focused on the big wins, the raises, the side hustles, the investments, there is a silent drain on your bank account that is designed to stay invisible. It's called the subscription economy. And in 2026, it's the number one reason the middle class stays stuck. Most people are currently paying for a life they don't even live. Today, we're doing a radical audit. I'm going to show you how to find the ghost charges stealing up to $500 a month from your future self. If you think you don't have them, you're the primary target. Why does $10 feel like nothing, but $100 feels like a commitment? Companies know this. It's called price chunking. By breaking a large yearly cost into tiny, digestible monthly bites, they bypass your brain's natural defense against spending. Think about it. That streaming service you haven't opened in 3 months? It's not just $10. Over a decade, with compound interest at 7%, that one forgotten app costs you over $2,000. Now multiply that by the 5, 6, or 7 apps you've forgotten about. You aren't just losing a movie, you're losing a vacation. You're losing a down payment. You're losing your freedom. To stop the bleed, you have to know what you're looking for. There are 3 main ghost categories. First, the guilt trap. This is the gym membership you keep just in case you start going next week, or that masterclass you never finished. You're paying for a version of yourself that doesn't exist yet. Second, the tier up. This is the cloud storage, or the premium pro version of a software you only needed for a one-time project. You're paying for a capacity you don't use. Third, the trial hangover. This is the most dangerous. The 7-day free trial you signed up for at 11 p.m. and forgot to cancel. They are betting on your forgetfulness. And every month they win. The goal isn't just to save the money. The goal is the reroute. Once you cancel those leaks, don't let that money sit in your checking account. If you do, it will disappear into gas, coffee, or more stuff. Set up an automatic transfer. That recovered $500 goes straight into a low-cost index fund or a high-yield savings account. You've just turned a micro-leak into a micro-empire. You didn't have to work an extra hour. You didn't have to ask for a raise. You just had to stop being a victim of the trap. The richest people in the world aren't just good at making money, they are masters at keeping it. Every dollar that stays in your pocket is a soldier working for your future. Look at your statement tonight. Find one leak. Kill it. Your feed is a reflection of your future. If you want the algorithm to keep showing you the path to wealth instead of distractions, hit the plus and subscribe. Let's keep your digital environment as sharp as your mind. Stay tuned. Because remember, you aren't broke,